So we want to solve f of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8 by the fixed point method, starting with the initial point x0 is equal to 1.5. So we can start by splitting f of x into x plus 4 and x minus 2. And this gives x is equal to minus 4, x is equal to 2. Now the initial point 1.5 is closest to x equals 2, so we can expect convergence at x star is equal to 2. So we want to figure out the best choice of g of x. So we can get two options for this. One option can be x squared minus 8 is equal to minus 2x. This gives g of x is equal to x is equal to 8 minus x squared over 2. We can label this a. Another option would be x squared is equal to 8 minus 2x gives g of x is equal to x, which is equal to the square root of 8 minus 2x. We will label this b. Now, using the theorem that the fixed point method converges when g prime of x star is less than 1, we need to figure out g prime for a and b. So starting with a, g prime of x will just be, so that's 4 minus x squared over 2, so it will just be minus x. Now the modulus of g prime at 2 is equal to the modulus of minus 2, which equals to 2. Now this is not less than 1, so will not converge. Now for equation b, g prime of x, so using the chain rule, take out the coefficient of, so the differential of the x part, so it is minus 2 multiplied by the power, which is a half, times the inside bit, change that to the power of minus a half, because you subtract 1 from the power. This is equal to minus 8 minus 2x to the power of minus a half. Therefore, g prime of 2 is equal to minus 8 minus 4 to the negative half, which is equal to half, which is less than 1. So expect convergence, as this satisfies the convergence conditions. So we'll choose equation b to solve this to get the final answer. So b, g of x is equal to 8 minus 2x to the power of a half. I'll just turn over the piece of paper. And I'll rewrite that at the top. So using the fixed point iteration, we get x n plus 1 is equal to g x of n. So that will be 8 minus 2x of n to the half. We know that x0 is equal to 1.5. So x1 is equal to g of x0, which is equal to 8 minus 2 of 1.5 to the half. This gives 2.236. Now we can repeat this lots of times, and an easy way to do it on your calculator is set the initial point and press answer. You get 3 over 2. And then substituting this into g, you can do 8 minus 2 answer to the power of a half. So that is x1 as we just found. And then you can just press equals again, and you get x2, which is 1.878. And then you can repeat this lots of times, pressing equals, and you will see that it will converge to 2, which is what we found earlier.